Hello and welcome to the lecture Creating Gradient. So in this lecture I'm going to tell you how to create gradient like this. See here the bright red color inside and then it is coming like a white color circles. So this is like a gradient. So in Canvas it is known as radial gradient. Okay, so we can create this with Canvas and JavaScript. So let's create it. So here I'll write the one variable for gradient, and for that what I need to do, I'll call the context dot and I'll be creating a radial gradient. So I'll give radial gradient. So this radial gradient method or function, what it takes 6 arguments. The first one is the starting axis, a coordinate for the inner circle. Okay, so I'll give 150, 150 and 50. So 50 is x, y and radius of the circle, and then it will ask for the second one. So I'll give the starting point for both the circle as same. So I'll give 150, 150 and here I'll give 100. So ending circle radius will be 100 and starting inner circle radius will be 50, and the starting point coordinates are same 150, 150. Okay, so this is the create radial gradient function or method which takes this argument. The next thing what we need to do, we need to use this gradient to add color stop. So what is color stop? Color stop is to add or remove the color. So we want to create gradient with the color, so we can add colors with this. So I'll add red or whatever color you want to give. So we can add two colors here. So gd dot add stop and I'll be giving, sorry, it should be color stop. Okay, and here I'll be giving 1 comma, let's say white. So here I'm going to create a gradient with red and white color. Okay, the fading will be the white one and the more will be red. Okay, and then the next thing is context dot fill style to tell the context that we need to use this gradient for styling. So we have created this gradient and we have added the color stop and we have given this coordinates to create the two circles, and now we are telling the context that we need to use this gradient for styling. The next thing will be the context dot fill rect. So we need to fill the canvas, so we need to use the fill rect function to tell that we need to fill this canvas with this style. So we'll start from 0 0 x and y, x0 y0, and then we need to cover up whole canvas, so 300 300. So we'll start, it means we want to fill all the canvas, whole of the canvas we want to fill with this gradient. So let's see how it is looking on the, okay, let me refresh this. See here it is coming like this, the inner circle red and then it is fading towards white. So this way we can create a color gradient in canvas. So let's modify a little bit. What I do, I'll make it 200 and see now it is coming like this. So this way we can create a gradient. So let me modify more. So what I do, I'll remove this, I'll make this one red one and white zeros to see the change. See here now white is more and red is fading. Okay, so I'll move to 1 and 0, and here what I do, I'll make it 200 and I'll make it 100 to see the changes. See here now it is coming like this, or I'll make it 50. See here. So this way whatever gradient or what type of gradient you want, you can create. Okay, so we can change the this thing also, we can change 250 and see what is happening. See here it is coming in a different way. So you can, based on your requirement or based on your imagination, you can keep changing the coordinates and you can see the different illustrations or different kinds of gradient forming up for you. So see here, suppose I will make it like 50 comma 150 and see like it is coming like this, or 150 or 250, and I'll make it 50 250. Let's see it is coming like this. And suppose I'll make it 150 150 and see it is coming like this. So based on your requirement you can keep adding. See, it is coming like this. Suppose I will make it 100 and make it 10. See here it is coming like this. So based on your requirement you can keep changing the coordinates, keep changing the values, and you can find what you want or what kind of gradient or animation or graphics you want to create. You can use this function create radial gradient to create more variation of this gradient. Okay, so it's up to your imagination how you want to create things, and you can use these functions and changing coordinates and you can come up with something great.